What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Now, if you have a Pixel device or have had a Pixel device in the past, you may have heard of a feature called Quick Tap, which pretty much just allows you to double tap on the back of your phone and your phone will take a certain action. Now, if you've never heard of this, I'm going to show you real quick how it works. All we need to do is go into our settings, scroll down to System, tap on Gestures, and then in here at the top you'll see it says Quick Tap. So if we go into here, all we need to do is enable this, and now you can see we have a list of things that we can have our phone do every time we tap on the back of our phone. So we can take a screenshot, we can bring up the Google Assistant, play or pause media, see the recent apps, show notifications, or launch a specific app. So if I show you how this works, let's just get out of here. And now if you see, I double tap on the back of my phone, it takes a screenshot. So a pretty cool feature, but unfortunately, there's not that many options in here, and one thing that I really would rather this phone do, and I've seen a lot of people asking for online, is having the ability to turn on the flashlight with this double tap. Now, as you can see, there's not an option to turn on the flashlight in here, but as you guys know, with Android, when there's a will, there is a way. So today what I'm gonna do is show you how you can use this quick tap feature to turn on the flash on your phone. Alright guys, so to set this up, the first thing you're going to want to do is launch your browser and then go to this GitHub page that I'll have linked in the description below. Once you're there, just go ahead and tap on this download button and it'll take you to another pake. And in here under this 0.10.1 beta section, just scroll down until you see assets. And in here, you just want the first one that says TapTap 0.10.1 beta APK. Now, when you tap on this, you may get a warning on your Android device that this is an unsafe file or that your device doesn't recognize it. Don't worry about that. This is a completely safe file. That is just a generic kind of error that Android throws when it's downloading an executable or an APK file. So just go ahead and download it and then hit open when you're done. Click install, and then we're gonna tap open. Alright, so there you go, just like that, you can see the app is now installed and we're greeted with this welcome to TapTap screen. Now we have the option to skip setup, but we're gonna have to make these changes anyway, so why not just do them from the start? So let's tap get started. Now in here you can see it's asking you to adjust the sensitivity of your phone. So generally I like to turn mine up a little bit because I am using a case on my phone. I'm using this Spigen case. So I'm going to turn this up just a little bit just so the sensitivity is higher and my phone can actually recognize that I'm trying to tap. And all you need to do right now, you can actually change this later, but you can see now all it says is, your phone is listening for these double taps and triple taps. So try tapping the back of your phone and see if it's working. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And there you go, you can see that the phone has recognized my tap, and I think that sensitivity is actually pretty perfect. So now what we're gonna do is just tap next. Now in here we just get a disclaimer and it says don't install apps from unknown sources, blah blah blah. We're gonna skip all this, and then in this next page it says enable accessibility service because TapTap does run in the background. So we're just gonna go ahead and click enable. Then you can see TapTap is set to off. We're gonna tap on here and enable that feature. We're going to allow, and then we're going to tap next, and then here it's going to ask us to disable battery optimization. Now the reason it has to do this is, like I said, TapTap runs in the background and it listens for those taps. So if the app is going to be in your background for a long time, what battery optimization will eventually do is kill any of these background apps that have been running but not been active. We don't want that to happen because if it kills this app running in the background, this double tap, triple tap is no longer going to work. So we're just going to go ahead and hit disable battery optimization. We're gonna allow it, and there you go, just like that, we're pretty much done. Just tap finished, and now you're greeted with this kind of like startup screen. So you can go ahead and just tap through all of these tabs and see kind of what they do, but the main ones we're going to focus on is gesture. So this is where you can change your sensitivity. Again, as I said, if you want to mess with it, if you want to bring it down or back up, you can do that here. But if you're all set up, now all we need to do is actually enable those double tap and triple tap actions. So you can see there's a double tap setting here and a triple tap here. We're going to go ahead and go to double tap. Now it has a few default ones in here. So there's launch assistant and screenshot. Obviously these are already available to us in the actual quick tap settings on the phone. So we're actually going to go ahead and delete these. So if you just hold on them, you see it brings up this remove. We're going to just delete that. We're going to do the same for this one, remove that, and now it says we can add a new action. So let's just tap on that, and you can see here we have a choice between launch, utilities, action, and advanced. We're going to go to utilities, and down here you'll see flashlight. So if we tap on that, it's going to ask you when you want to use this. I'm just going to say only while using the app. And there you go, just like that, the flashlight is now here in our double tap actions. And I think at this point, that's everything. So let's give it a shot. There you go. As you can see, it's working pretty great. So every time we double tap, so you can see it kind of, yeah, no, the sensitivity is, I can maybe bring up the sensitivity a little bit. So you can go ahead and play around with your phone, and yeah, I think that's, it's missing a few taps, but of course, again, we can bring up that sensitivity and just tweak it to our liking. So there you go. This will actually work with the phone off as well. So if I turn it off, you can see, there you go, flash is always working. And yeah, there you go, just like that, your flash is now available to you at a quick double tap. So I really like this feature because sometimes at night I don't like to turn on all the lights in my house. I just walk around with my flash on, or maybe I drop something and it rolls under the couch. I can quickly just double tap to bring up my flash, and just a really nice feature. So there you go, guys. If you wanted to know how you can set up your quick tap to bring up your flashlight, this is how you do it. Now you can go ahead and set up a triple tap if you want as well. So if you tap on your phone 3 times, it'll do something else. But for me, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.